To add a referral code to your cassette account, start by opening the cassette on your mobile device, ensuring you have an active account. If you haven't already entered a referral code during the account creation process, you can do so by accessing your account settings. Tap either the profile icon located at the top right corner of your screen or the bank account dollar amount symbol at the bottom left corner. This will direct you to a page where you can scroll down to find the Enter Referral Code option, situated below the Sign Out feature. A referral code is a unique identifier used to invite friends to join. And by entering someone's code, you'll receive a $5 bonus in your cassette account. To enter the code, simply scroll down to the Enter Referral Code option and input the code. Once you've done this, the $5 bonus will be automatically added to your account. Entering a referral code is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. And it's a great way to earn a bonus by leveraging referrals from existing account holders.